Hey yo, welcome back. So I'm beyond excited for this video. I'm gonna tell you why. So as all of you should know, Alikay Naturals came out with a new lemongrass style collection. So in that, and in me being a brand ambassador, they were generous enough to send the whole collection. The whole collection. So I'm beyond ready. Yes, my hair might be done, but honestly, I don't really care. So we're about to redo it with the new lemongrass style collection. But first, you know, I gotta unbox it for y'all, and then we will hop right in. Okay y'all, so I finished up my last section, and as you can see, my twists look very moisturized, very shiny already. So I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna come back and finish my process. Okay y'all, so I'm back. My hair feels actually pretty dry, so I'm just gonna take it down, do my fluffing, And I'm actually gonna also lay my edges with their Slay and Lay Edge Gel. And y'all, I'm excited to try this because I've been waiting for Alikay Naturals to drop an edge control because none work for me. And there's actually like a lot in here, so it's gonna last a good minute too. But yeah, let's just jump right into the takedown, and I'm playing my music and all that stuff. Yeah, I love this pillow. Side note, it's just so cute, so cute. Okay, but anyways, let's just go for it.
Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. My cell phone, cell phone, the cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, the cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, the cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, the cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, the cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, the cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, the cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, cell phone, the cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love.
Amazing. This is an A plus from me. So I need to go out. I need to do something because my hair is too cute for this. I'm gonna fluff more, obviously, but I'm in love with this new lemongrass style collection. So I will link it in the description box. Make sure that you go check it out. And also you'll get 15% off if you use my discount code. I'll also link that. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. And as always, peace and love. Bye y'all.